Hello, so today we are going to start our new lesson, that is equations. So equations is a lesson which you will meet at grade 6 and from grade 6 upwards in each and every grade. Okay, so equation is a lesson that is very important and also carries so much marks for your every exam, even though in GCSE and in ordinary levels also. So my plan is to start from very basics and move forward. So in this lesson, I'm going to cover very important 6 topics. Those are simple equations, equations with brackets, fractional equations, and questions related to complex equations, and also simultaneous equations and quadratic equations. So in this first video, in the first part of this video, we are going to start how to solve questions related to simple equations. So let's get started. So my first question is like this. I will take the first question as 2x equals 6. Okay, so equations always have two sides and equal mark. So two sides are left hand right side and right hand side. So the side in our right hand from the equation mark is known as right hand side. I will symbolize that one as RHS, right hand side, and the other side is known as left hand side, so we can use LHS. Okay, that's it. So this is the normal way of a equation. Always equation have a equal mark and two sides either side of the equation mark. Okay, so in this question, in this kind of question, normally what you have to do is you have to find the unknown term. What do you mean by unknown term? A variable or else a term which we don't know exact value. In this question, you have two numerical values called 2 and 6. 2 and 6 are known numbers, no? We already know what is 2, what is 6. But there is an unknown term called x. We don't know what is the value of x exactly. So what we have to do in this question is we have to find what is the value of x by solving this equation. So this is the one kind of simplest equation you will get. Okay, so let's take another page. 2x equals 6. Now our intention is to find x, no? What I have to do is I have to remove 2 now because there is not x, there is 2x. Okay, from 2x I have to remove 2. For that, firstly I want to know what has happened in between 2 and x. There is no symbol between 2 and x, no? So there is a multiplication. If there are no symbol between a number and an unknown term, that means that is multiplication. So we have to do the opposite thing of multiplication to remove number 2. Okay, so what is the opposite thing of multiplication? Yes, very good. That's division. So I have to divide this one by number 2. Then 2 and 2 will cancel out. But this is an equation. No? This is the really important point in solving equation questions. What is that? If we do a new thing to one side of the equation, you must do the same thing for the other side also. That means you can't do anything new for right hand side only or left hand side only. You have to do that same thing for both sides. Okay, so as I have divided the left hand side by 2, I have to divide the right hand side also by 2. Okay, now this 2 and this 2 will cancel out. Only x is remaining in your left hand side. Now 6 divided by 2, very easy, no? Okay, the answer is 3. X equals 3. That's it. So we will simplify another question just like this. Okay, my next question is 8x equal 4. 8x equal 4. Now what I have to do again is I have to divide both the sides by 8, right? So I will divide both the sides by 8. And 8 and 8 will cancel out. Only x is remaining. 4 divided by 8. Oh, there is a problem. 4 cannot be divided by 8, right? Okay, no, it's easy. 4 divided by 8. You can keep this one as a fraction, or else you can simplify this one for a decimal also. First of all, if I keep this one as a fraction, this is how to simplify. I will take 4 times, okay? To 4 and to 8, I will take 4 times. For 4, how many 4s are there? 1 4. For 8, 2 4. So the answer is 1 over 2. Okay, this is the fractional answer. If I take the answer in decimal values, 4 divided by 8. 4 divided by 8. To 4, is there any 8s? No, there is no 8. So I will keep that one as 0 point. And the 4 becomes 40. ඔන්න 40 වලට තමයි දැන් අපි බලන්න යන්නේ. To 40, how many 8s are there? Yes, 5. 5 8s are there. So the decimal answer is 0.5. That's it. If you want to note down anything, you can quickly note down, okay? Or else you can just pause the video and write whatever you want. So, next question. This is somewhat different. X plus 5 equal 10. X plus 5 equal 10. Now, x and number 5 is not multiplied. That is, there is an addition, right? Okay. So, what is the opposite thing of addition? Yes, subtraction. So, what we have to do is, I will just write the same thing again. And I will subtract 5. Then, this positive 5 and negative 5 will cancel out. And there is the important point, no? Which you can remember. We have to do the same thing for the both sides. So, I have to subtract 5 from right hand side also. So, this 5 and this 5 are cancelled out and x is remaining. 10 minus 5 is 5. So, this is the answer. That's it. We will move to our next question. X minus 4 equal 2. X minus 4 equal 2. Okay, now x and 4 has been subtracted, right? So, the opposite thing is addition. Okay, so x minus 4 equal to the same question here. And I will add 4 to both sides. And negative 4 and positive 4 are cancelling out. Only x is remaining. 2 plus 4 means 6. So, this is the answer. Done. And the next question. 5x equals 5. So, what do you have to do? Just divide both the sides by 5. I will divide both the sides by 5. This 5 and this 5 are cancelled out. Only x is remaining. This is important. 5 divided by 5. How many 5s are there for 5? Yes, that is 1, not 0. Not 0. Most of the students put 0. Just look in this one. Okay, that is 1. How many 5s are there for 5? That's 1. Yes. That's it. So, we will move a little bit different kind. It's like this. 7x plus 3 equals 17. This is little bit complex. 7x plus 3 equals 17 because we have a multiplication and addition both in the same question. Okay. So what I have to do is, firstly, I am removing number 3. We cannot remove all the things in one step, okay? So I will write the same question again. 7x plus 3 equals 17. Now what I am going to do is, I am going to subtract 3 from both the sides. So these 3 and 3 are cancelling out. Only 7x is remaining. So 17 minus 3. What is the answer? That is 14, right? Okay. So we have 7x, but we don't want 7x. We want just x, no? So I'm going to divide both the sides by 7. And 7 will cancel out. X equals 2. That's it. X equals 2. And next question. 5x minus 10 equal 10. 5x minus 10 equal 10. What we have to do now? Yes, remove 10. Okay, let's remove 10. I'm just writing the same question again. And I will remove 10. 10 is subtraction here. So I have to use addition for both the sides. Here 10 and 10 are cancelling out. 5x is remaining. 10 plus 10 means, yes, 20. So now what I have to do? Divide both the sides by 5. Okay. Here 5 and 5 are cancelling out. X is remaining. 20 divided by 5. Yes, that's 4. That's it. Very easy, right? Okay, if I'm too speed or too slow, please just notify that one in the comment section. So the next question. 6 plus 2x equal 26. 6 plus 2x equals 26. Okay. Now, this question is little bit important. Because in last few questions, we have removed the second part. But here, I have to tell you that you have to keep the x value positive always. As much as possible, okay? Because when x value is positive, it's easy to simplify. Always try your best to keep the x positive. Here, what I am trying to say is, if you carry this 2x to the other side, it will become negative now when we switch in the sides. So, the x value is a negative value, then it will be a hassle for you. No need to do that. So, we will just keep 2x there in the same place which it is in, and we will move the 6 to the other side. Okay. So, I will write the same question again. 6 plus 2x equals 26. Now, what I am going to do is, I am going to carry 6 to the other side. So, I have to subtract 6 from both the sides. This 6 and this 6 are cancelling out. 2x is remaining. So, 26 minus 6 means, yes, 20. Now, what we have to do? Divide both the sides by 2. So 2 and 2 are cancelling out. Only x is remaining. 20 divided by 2 means that's 10. Okay, done. The last question I'm going to discuss for this type. 100 minus 5x equals 75. Okay. Now this one also a little bit different. There is a negative 5x. So we have to make the x value positive now. So I will decide to move the x value now. Because when I move this 5x to the other side, then it will become positive now. So I will move the 5x. I'm just writing the question. Now what I'm going to do is, here I have negative 5x, so I will write positive 5x in both the sides. So this 5x and 5x are cancelling out. Here I have 100 equals 75 plus 5x. Now what I am going to do is again carry this 75 to the other side. All the numbers in one side and all the x values or the unknown values in the other side. Okay. We have to carry all the numbers to one side. So I will take this 75 to this side, then the symbol will be changed. This is positive 75. When I carry that one to other side of the equation, it will become negative 75. Oh, sorry, 7x, not 7x, that's 75, huh? Okay, 75. So 100 minus 75, that is 25 equals 5x. So divide both the sides by 5. This 5 and this 5 are cancelling now. 25 divided by 5 means, yes, that's 5. X equals 5. As I haven't enough space, I will carry the answer to here. So x is equal to 5. Done. So the next question. In this question, you have unknown terms in both sides of the equation and also numbers in both the sides. Let's see. 2x plus 5 equal x plus 9. 2x plus 5 equal x plus 9. So I have 2x here and the x in the other side. Which I told you before is carry all the unknown terms into one side of the equation and carry all the numbers in the equation into the other side. Okay, so we can, in this question, you will think that we can carry 2x to the x side also, or else x into 2x side also. Which one I have to do now? Okay, so what you have to do is always keep in mind to keep the unknown term positive. To keep the unknown term positive. Okay, to keep the unknown term positive, what you have to do is you have to carry the smaller unknown term to the side of larger unknown term. So here 2x is larger than x, no? 2x is larger than x. So I will carry the x to 2x side. Okay, like this. I will carry this x to this side. Okay. So 2x minus x. 2x minus x. Here x is positive. When I carry that one to the other side, it will become negative. Okay. So 9 is already there. Ne? I will write that 9. And in the same step, I will take 5 to this side because all the numbers in one side. Again, 5 also becomes negative because here it is positive. When we switch the sides, it will become negative. Okay. 2x minus x, what is the answer? 1x. Okay. No need to write 1x. We will just write x. 9 minus 5. Yes, that's 4. This is the answer. Very easy, right? Very easy. So the next question. 5x plus 2 equal 3x plus 8. 5x plus 2 equal 3x plus 8. Okay, so the larger unknown term 5x. So we will take 3x to the other side. 5x minus 3x equal 8 minus 2. Here we have 8 in the same side and we will take 2 to the other side. Then it will become negative. 5x minus 3x, yes, that is 2x equal 8 minus 2 means 6. Here we have 2x, but we want just x, no? So we will divide both the sides by 2. Then 2 and 2 are cancelling out. X equals 3. X equals 3. That's it. So the next question, 5 minus 3x equal 1 plus x. 5 minus 3x equal 1 plus x. Here, this is important, okay? So, here we have the larger x value as 3x. But there is a small problem. Look at this, look at the question. The 3x is negative, right? But what we have to do is keep the x value positive, no? So in this question, in this kind of question, we will carry the negative value to the other side even though that is larger, okay? So 3x to other side, then it will become positive, no? And 1 to this side. Okay, 5 minus 1 equal x plus 3x, x plus 3x, okay. 5 minus 1, the answer is 4. X plus 3x, answer is 4x. Divide the both sides by 4. 4 and 4 are cancelling out. X equal 1. That's it. X equal 1. So the next question, this is little bit long question, okay, little bit longer. 7 plus 4x equal 2 minus x plus 10. 2 minus x plus 10. Okay. So, here we have 3 numbers and 2 unknown terms. Okay. So, this is the equal mark. 2 plus 10, we can simplify this one, no? 2 plus 10 means 12 minus x. Here we have 7 plus 4x. Now we will carry the negative x, here negative x to the other side and 7 to right hand side. Okay. 4x plus x equal 12 minus 7. 4x plus x means 5x. 12 minus 7 means, yes, that is also 5. Divide both the sides by 5. 5 cancelling out. Only x is remaining. 5 times 1. Eh? Okay, that's it. Very easy. The next question. 8 minus 3x minus 3 equal x minus 4 plus 2x. Here also in this question we have so many numbers and so many unknown terms. Okay, 8 and 3 I am going to simplify. 8 minus 3, that means 5. Minus 3x, okay. Here I have x plus 2x. X plus 2x means altogether 3x minus 4. Okay. Now I am going to switch the sides of unknown terms and the numbers. I will take this negative 3x to the right hand side and this negative 4 to the left hand side. 5 plus 4 equal 3x plus 3x. Here I have 3x and I have taken this 3x, then it will become positive. 5 plus 4 means 9. 3x plus 3x means 6x. Then I can divide both the sides by 6. 6 and 6 are cancelling out. X equals to 9 divided by 6. I will cut both sides by 3. 3 times 2, 3 times 3. The fractional answer is 3 over 2. This is improper fraction. We can make this one to mixed numbers 1 over 2. Okay, if this one is harder, let me know in the comment section. Then I will do a separate video for fractions also. If you want to simplify this one into a decimal answer, then x is equal, for 3 how many 2's are there? Only 1. And 1 is remaining. So that is 10. For 10 how many 2's are there? 5. If you want, I can do a separate video for decimals, decimal simplification and fractional simplification. So let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the last question we are going to discuss for this video. X plus 5 minus 2x equal 3 plus x. X minus 2x. Okay. X minus 2x. When we have to simplify positive numbers and negative numbers together, what you have to do is you have to just take the difference. Don't think about the symbols first. Just take the difference. Here 2x and here 1x. No, when 2 subtract 1, the answer is 1, right? 1x. Now put the symbol of the larger number. That means the larger number is 2x. No, the symbol is negative. So this one is negative. I have simplified this x and this negative 2x. Okay. Plus 5 equal 3 plus x. I will take the negative x to the right hand side. So 5 minus 3 equal x plus x. This 1x I just wrote it as x. Okay. 5 minus 3 means 2. X plus x means 2x. Divide both the sides by 2. Here 1. Here 1. So x is equal to 1. X equals 1. That's it. Okay, so in this video we have discussed how to simplify simple equations as the first part of this equation video series, and in the next video we are going to discuss about equations with brackets. Okay, so if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and you can share with your friends, and also leave me a comment if you just want to know anything, or else just notify your comments. Okay, so goodbye.